corruption. I will lay down the predicate of how he stole hundreds of millions from the people, straight to his pocket, and straight to his organization. The challenge doesn't end there. The day after, we will file cases against another 50 individuals for bid rigging in the entire BFP spanning from 2021 to 2025. It will show a very malicious attempt to create a syndicate to profit from the purchase of fire trucks in the Philippines. And it doesn't end there. We're filing cases against inspectors who sell fire extinguishers, who harass every single business owner in this country para kumita sila. It's a $15 billion a year industry that the BFP is into, and we will dismantle it. That is our ang dami pa namin ginawa yung sa anti-tobacco smuggling.